各位同學，大家好，我係簡 Sir。今日同大家睇一睇呢篇文呢，係關於大埔火災嘅。呢一篇文章呢個標題係 Taipo Inferno Death Toll Rises to 156。咁 Inferno 呢就大家未必知道佢個含義啊。其實呢 Inferno 呢係一個意大利文嚟嘅，咁意思係火海啊，喺一啲即係聖經嘅篇章。但丁嘅史詩神曲之中咧，有一篇嘅叫地獄篇啊，係描寫一個煉獄啊。咁後尾咧，亦都係 Inferno 呢個名咧，亦都係被改編成為一部電影，係 Tom Hanks 一部電影啦叫《天使與魔鬼》續集。咁咧香港咧譯做咧《地獄密碼》。咁咧題目有個字咧就係toll。喺中文咧係代表一啲收費啦，例如我哋好出名嘅過隧道，我哋有 e-toll 啦、易通行啦，係咪啊？又或者咧嗰啲過機嗰啲閘啦叫 toll gate 啦，要收費嘅喺道路有 toll gate 係要收費嘅關閘。咁咧如果講 death toll 嘅話咧，就係講一啲死亡嘅，唔係死亡嘅收費喎，就係話咧死神嚟收租啦嚟收嘢啦。咁咧就意思咧就係一啲大型嘅災難啊，係數目嘅，咁啊至於喺一啲事故啊、大型疾病嘅事件咧，造成一啲死亡嘅總數咧，我哋都係講係 death toll。好，開首第一段啦。The death toll from the Wangfuk-Koch Inferno rose to 156 on Tuesday as police found 5 bodies in the search of Wangchang House and Wangshan House。咁咧就係話嗰個死亡數字咧喺個宏福苑嗰度咧，呢場大火咧 ，rose 咧係解玫瑰嘅意思啦。另一個意思就係 rise 嘅過去式就係呢度係上升嘅意思係上升到156啦喺星期二嘅時候，咁當咧呢個警方係揾到5個身體啦，呢個係5個屍體喺佢哋嗰個 search 呢度係 noun 嚟嘅，就係講佢個搜尋啦佢搜查啦，喺邊度喺宏昌 house 宏昌 house 即係呢個宏昌閣啦，同埋宏生 house 就係呢個宏生閣啦咁呢度宏昌閣最先起火嗰度啦，咁後尾咧佢哋去咗呢個咧雲新閣大埔大廈8棟大廈咁後尾咧做咗喺呢兩棟大廈個做搜查嘅時候，發現咗5具屍體，令到個死亡人數咧係增加咗嘅。Officers said it has been possible to identify 127 of the bodies. Around 30 people remain unaccounted for. 咁呢度咧，我哋有 officers officers 係乜嘢 officers 啊？咁頭先上一段就講清楚啦，係 police officers咁所以話呢個係警方嘅警務人員咁解啦。Said it has been possible to identify 127，即係話咧佢能夠可能辨認到啦即係話其他就不能夠辨認impossible to identify， 所以可以辨認到咧，因為可能燒到爛晒得返啲灰咁樣，咁所以咧佢暫時咧辨認到咧係127具嘅屍體嘅遺體。咁另外咧 around 30 people remain unaccounted for， 咁仲有30個人係未計嘅，咁未計咩咧？係揾唔到佢哋嘅遺體啦，又或者唔知道佢哋係咪失咗蹤啦、下落不明啦咁樣，咁所以即係 unaccounted for， 冇計佢死亡㗎咁 the force said the force 呢度都係解啦，咩 force梗係 police force 啦，都係警方表示啦The force said a search of Wangchang House was around 40% complete and was almost over at Wangshan House。咁頭先講嗰兩棟大廈啦，就係雲新閣啦，雲新閣就大概咧雲昌閣啦，雲昌閣就40%完成㗎啦。And was almost over at Wangshan House， 咁另一棟大廈咧雲新閣咧就差唔多已經完成㗎啦。咁其他大廈點咁呢度有講啦 ，5 other blocks have already been searched。咁其他5棟大廈，因為 blocks 係一棟大廈啦 5 other blocks have already been searched 咁啊，已經完成咗呢個搜查啦。Residents of Wenchi House which didn't catch fire will be able to return to their flats to collect personal belongings from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Wednesday and Thursday, officials said. 咁嗰啲居民啦，喺呢個宏志閣嘅居民啦，咁宏志閣係一棟咩大廈咧？就係 which didn't catch fire， 即係冇燒過。8棟大廈其中一棟大廈咧係冇燒過嘅，就係唯一咧就係宏志閣呢棟大廈咧冇燒嘅。咁咧嗰啲居民咧係會 be able to return to their flats， 咁可以進入佢哋個單位啦to collect personal belongings， 可以攞翻佢哋嘅個人嘅物品啦。咁幾時啊？可以係咪任行啊？又唔係嘅噃，咁係 from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Wednesday and Thursday， 即係話喺星期三、星期四咧9至9嘅時候咧係可以入去嘅。咁啊邊個講啊？咁今次咧唔係 officers 啦，今次係 officials said。咁 officials 咧係 government officials 啦，啲官員啦、政府官員就表示啦。咁可能就唔係警方啦，可能係民政處啊，或者係其他政府部門啦咁樣。After registration at Kwong Yi House at the nearby Kwong Fuk Estate, the residents will be given up to 1.5 hours inside their homes. 咁咧，當佢哋喺呢個廣福村嘅廣義樓登記咗之後咧，咁嗰啲居民咧就會獲准啦就俾佢哋最多係去到個半鐘喺佢哋個單位裏邊嘅。Because they are 2 days and 12 hours each, residents don't need to rush to arrive in the morning, said Henry Lai from the Home Affairs Department. 咁咧，由於咧係嗰個期限係有2日啦，有2日啦。咁每日有12個鐘嘅9至9啊 ，each 每日都有9至9嘅每日有12個鐘嘅。咁所以啲居民咧 residents don't need to rush to arrive。佢話咧居民咧係唔需要咧係爭住衝去嚟到 rush to arrive， 衝去抵達喺早上一早就抵達嘅，唔需要嘅咁係邊個講咧？就係 Henry Lai from the Home Affairs Department。咁民政事務總署嘅代表啦咁後尾查翻啦，咁佢中文名叫黎智軒黎智軒先生咧就呼籲嗰啲居民唔使咁急。The Home Affairs Department and the Civil Servants Quick Response Teams will be on hand to offer help and ensure all residents will be accompanied by civil servants. Police will be stationed on each floor, and civil servants can help residents move their belongings if needed. 咁Home Affairs Department 啦 ，HAD 啦即係民政事務處啦，同埋佢哋有一個咧叫 Civil Service 嘅 Quick Response Teams 就係話你公務員嘅快速應變部隊咁可能喺唔同嘅公務員體系嗰度抽調一啲嘅人士過嚟啦。咁會 be on hand 咁會喺度嘅我哋話好 handy 即係好近身嘅，完全咧係可以即時提供到協助嘅，係提供to offer help 同埋咧 ensure 去保證啦確保啦 all residents will be accompanied by civil servants， 所以話咧每一個所有嘅居民咧就會由呢個公務員係陪同去執拾佢嘅個人物品嘅。咁咧佢亦都講啦。Police will be stationed on each floor， 咁每層樓咧都有警員喺度嘅有警員喺度嘅。And civil servants 又係公務員啦 ，can help residents move their belongings if needed。咁佢哋咧公務員咧係可以幫手啦，係幫嗰啲居民係搬運佢哋嘅所有物啦，即係話佢哋嘅個人佢哋嘅自己嘅屬於嘅物品啦係 if needed 係有需要嘅時候The Police New Territories North Regional Commander Lemon Han said photos have been leaked online of bodies found inside the blocks. 咁咧呢個警務處嘅新界北總區嘅指揮官咁呢個林敏嫻就表示咧就話啦 ，photos have been leaked online。咁有啲相咧就係流 泄漏咗啊，去到網上啊。咁咧係咩嚟嘅咧？係關於一啲 bodies 係關於嗰啲屍體嘅照片啊、遺體嘅照片咧係喺邊度揾到啊？係嗰啲大廈裏邊揾到嘅屍體嘅相咧係流傳咗出去嘅。She said the matter is being examined by cybersecurity officers, and she called on the public to delete any such photos they have. 咁佢就話啦，咁呢個事件啊 ，the matter 即係流咗相出去網上呢一個 matter 啦，呢件事啦 ，is being examined 係現正咧係俾檢視啊，俾邊個檢視啊 ？cybersecurity officers 喺呢嗰啲網絡安全嘅人員啦 ，officers 亦都係應該係一啲police officers，即係啲警務人員啦。咁she call on call on 嚟嘅咧，呼籲咁解啦。she call on the public 希望啲公眾啦 to delete any such 係刪除任何嗰啲相佢哋擁有嘅任何呢啲類型嘅相，希望咧大家都刪除咗佢嘅。We have also requested the relevant online platform to take down all these photos, Lam said. 咁林淑嫻指揮官都表示啦，我哋都係已經咧係要求咗 request 要求咗 the relevant online platform 係相關嘅網上嘅平台啦 ，to take down take down 係下架啦 ，all these photos 將個所有關於呢啲咁嘅照片咧係下架嘅。I hope for the public, if you have received these photos, please delete them for defending the dignity of the deceased. 咁咧，同時佢咁講啦我希望啦啲公眾啦，如果你係收到呢啲照片，唔該你啦，就刪除咗佢。點解for咩？就係因為咩？Defending 係維護啦或者即係防守啦即係維護咁解啦。個 dignity 嘅尊嚴deceased 咁係嗰啲逝去咗嘅人咁希望咧就係要維護逝者嘅尊嚴咧，而刪除呢啲相啦。Police also said a mainland woman was arrested on Monday over a suspected scamming website seeking donations for victims of the blaze. 咁咧，警方咧同時表示因為頭先係講一啲執嘢或者係叫大家刪除相啫嘛，咁所以咧就再繼續講啦，同時又講啦，一個咧內地嘅女子mainland woman was arrested 被拘捕啦。喺星期一嘅時候on Monday， 點解咧因為咩事咧？A suspected scamming website 一個咧懷疑嘅詐騙嘅網站scamming 嘅詐騙嘅。咁呢個網站做咩嘅咧？就係 seeking donations for victims of the blaze。咁懷疑呢個即係詐騙網站咧係尋求啲捐款啦，係俾邊個俾一啲victim of blaze 係嗰個火災blaze 係嗰啲唔受控制嘅火或者高速嘅火。咁啲火嘅受災人嘅受害人去尋求捐款，咁當然呢個就唔知真定假啦。咁所以咧，如果有懷疑嘅話咧，就係即係拘捕咗呢個內地嘅女子啦。好，咁今日咧就同大家咧就係睇咗呢篇關於大埔火災嘅新聞啦。咁希望咧大家都睇得到認得到啲字，咁咧就係理解呢個新聞。咁我哋下次再見。